Morning all, we're on our way to the Mini Spares open day. I think we've got a special little mini there which we're going to go and have a look at. So yeah, give us 20 minutes, hopefully we'll be there and we'll get some nice video off Dee Dees ice cream van. And just like that, we've made it to the Mini Spares open day, so we're just going to park our car up, have a little look around and see what we got going on. Yeah, so this was actually meant to be the weekend of International Mini Meet, which got, you know, in my opinion, rather brutally cancelled. A lot of people had put a lot of effort to get their cars here, especially the people coming from abroad. You know, they'd paid for the ferry, they'd paid for the train, they'd paid for the accommodation. So yeah, it was really nice that Mini Spares at least put on a little day for them. I think they had AC Dodd here helping tune up the engines. You could collect all the parts that you could order, you know. Mini Spares were doing a discount at the show, so they honoured that discount, which was also really good as well. So yeah, it was a nice little day out. Lots of minis came and went during the day, so there was a good selection of cars here actually. Yeah, this little white one on our right hand side coming up, this was maybe quite a good little idea for Mr. Popeye. Maybe I need to make him a little trailer to go on the back, carry some ice creams with us. Yeah. Yeah, so as you can see, some of these cars come from abroad. You know, they've got all their tent and camping equipment with them, so hopefully they're having a good time in the UK. You know, hopefully we didn't let them down too bad. Just reflects badly on us, I think. So sorry, guys. Yeah, it was also quite nice is they had this mini Heritage Mark 1 body shell, you know, just showing you these cars. You know, you can literally build a brand new one if you want. You know, part of the joy of owning minis is you can just buy absolutely everything. One's never too far gone. You know, it's a great little car club, car scene to be part of, I think.
What many have you got? Originally racing green. Yeah. You drive it from Holland to England. How many times you break down? Not. Only way to Grand Theft broke down. The alternator. I went to Isle of Man. From Holland? You drove all the way across England? Yeah. Did you get the ferry to Harwich or to Dover? So you drove from Dover to Liverpool? Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
Warum ist gut für la petite auf dem Autoanhänger?
Yeah, so here is another mini ice cream van. You don't see many of these around, so yeah, I was really pleased to see it arriving. So yeah, this is Dee Dees. All our contact details are on the side. You can also find her on Facebook as well, so Dee Dees Luxury Ice Cream. Yeah, this van is mint. This is immaculate compared to Mr. Popeye. So nice. So back to Mr. Popeye. Next up for us is, yeah, as you can see, we've got the angle grinders out. We're going to show you some really horrific prior work on Mr. Popeye, which is why we're going full hardcore and changing the floor on him. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe, and you'll get notified as soon as the first of them videos comes out.